Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade waffles. In a large mixing bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, then mix together and place aside. In a medium mixing bowl, I have 2 eggs and going to add in 8 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix together. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix together. Now you want to preheat your waffle iron. You can either spray with cooking spray or rub some melted butter on. Then it's time to add the batter. Now for the amount of batter, all depends on the size of your waffle maker. For my waffle maker, I had about 1 cup of batter. Then cook your waffles until timer goes off. Once finished, carefully transfer to a plate. And you can serve with some maple syrup, butter, or with your favorite fruit. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!